Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, I just have one quick cruise news story for you today. A policy change made by Carnival Cruise Lines that could possibly affect someone's upcoming cruise. So in a recent decision by Carnival Cruise Lines, they have now officially added drones to the prohibited items list, meaning they cannot be brought on cruise ships at all. Now, while it has been a rule for a while that you could not fly a drone while on board the cruise ship, two cruise lines, Carnival Cruise Lines and Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, have been allowing drones to be brought on board for use when in ports of call. So once you're off the ship and out of the cruise port, you could still take your drone and use it there. But this new change by Carnival Cruise Lines now does not even allow you to bring the drone on the ship. So it's now completely a prohibited item. They cannot be brought on board, even if you only plan to use it in a cruise port. Now, Carnival citing safety issues, environmental issues, with an increase in the amount of drone usage that is going on around the world. They've had some drones crashing near cruise ships and around the cruise ports, and this is just a problem that Carnival doesn't want to have to deal with, and basically something they don't want to have come back on them. Any kind of legal issue, fine issue, anything like that, Carnival's just said, nope, no more drones. They cannot be brought on the ships at all. All right, so if you normally take your drone on board a Carnival cruise ship to be used when you get to the cruise ports, just know the rules have officially changed. No more drones, period, on board Carnival cruise ships. Now, for now, Royal Caribbean has not changed their policy. You can still take them on a Royal Caribbean ship to be used in ports of call that allow it. So this is only affecting Carnival cruises for now, but we're going to keep an eye out because you know how cruise lines do. Usually if one picks up a policy, the others follow along pretty quickly. And since Royal Caribbean is the only other one, at least that I'm aware of, that allows it, we'll have to keep an eye out and see if they change their policy or even consider changing their policy here in the upcoming future. And I just wanted to get this out there and let everybody know who is a drone flyer, who has a drone and likes to take them on their cruises, because I don't want you to get to the cruise terminal, have it there in your bag, and then have it confiscated from you, because look, we all know those things can get pretty expensive. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.